So on this video we're going to design the adjuster nut. So new part. Okay. So on right plane, sketch, draw two circle. Alright. Smart dimension. This is 50 and this is 31. Enter. And then features, extrude boss base 15. Okay, go the other side, 15. Check, check. Alright, so it's ready 15. So this is right plane. So on front plane, right sketch, normal 2. We are going to draw the line, okay, so that I can see. I put it transparent. Alright, so I'm drawing to make a line from this point to this point, horizontal line. Okay, I close the sketch and then the same thing, front plane sketch. I'm going to make a construction line. So from this point to this point. Alright, escape. And from here we are going to draw the profile of the thread. So similar profile we do on the piston. It's 3 by 3. So 1, 2, 3. You make smart dimension. Okay. Smart dimension, the height is 3. So 3. And then this one is 1.5. Alright. Now we are going to mirror. So this one, this one, this one, mirror about, this one, check. So we close and then we go sweep both, right? We select this one as the guide and then we go option. We select specify twist value. We put revolution, then we put revolution. Okay. So this is the tooth. So we make sure that the pathway is the same. Alright. So done. Because if I put one more, so cannot, so it's until here only, check. So the thread is done. We can now put here and let's see the thread. Okay, we got the thread already. Now we are going to cut the excess. Okay. So to cut the excess, we can increase and cut. So meaning this one, extrude boss, I make it 20 or even 25. Okay. Enter. Check. And then on this sketch 2, edit, normal 2. Okay, still there. So now on the sweep, I can make it increase the revolution. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, check. So now we are going to cut with a 15 remaining thickness. So therefore, still on top plane, sketch, normal 2. Alright, we go a box. We are going to put now the smart dimension. It should be 15. Enter. And then we go one big box. Alright. And then features, extrude cut. So throw all both. Alright, check. So this is now our threaded adjuster nut. Now we are going to design the slot for the adjusting. We are going to insert plane, front plane. Make sure that the plane is outside. So we sketch on the plane. We are going to sketch a slot. Or levels. So that is, and then we're going to make it English. 7 instances.